Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are in Ocean City, New Jersey. This is actually our third time to Ocean City since we got here. The first time was really foggy and there was no view that we could really film or anything. The second time I came here with a bunch of my friends. It was really beautiful weather, but I didn't film. So today me and Xiao just came here, just me and her, and yeah, just gonna enjoy the day, walk around. New Jersey has over 100 miles of beaches, so this is just one of them. This is the one that I always went to when I was a kid. A few of my friends had houses here, or like summer rentals, and I'd come here with them and yeah, walk the boardwalk, and all of my childhood memories are on this beach pretty much, so it's really a nice place. This beach itself is also really long. It's got to be 10 kilometers or something. It's a huge beach. It's actually an island, and the entire east side is a beach. Xiaorong is just enjoying it. We just had lunch, which is very delicious. What did you think of the lunch?
Very good.
She's very relaxed. I got a cowboy burger, which is a patty, barbecue sauce, fried onions, and cheese. We got an order of fries. This is a small order, but it's decent size. And she got lobster roll. So it's lobster and I think with mayonnaise and some other stuff, I'm not sure. Came a little bag of chips. How you feeling? Smells really good. All right, let's eat. I will take a quick walk to the water, give you a look at what it looks like here. Not sure how well you can see anything with this camera, but I can see pretty much all the way to the end of the island. It's really clear. There's people swimming over here. You have to swim between the green flags, so you're not really have to swim everywhere. The tide is out, the water is really low. Good time to play some games and stuff. So yeah, the beach, Ocean City's beach. I actually just checked my phone. It's more than 10 kilometers. Not sure, maybe 12, 13 kilometers. It's really long. And there's a boardwalk up there, lots of food, and like there's water parks and there's all sorts of stuff up there. That's really nice. I'm sure the water is not very warm. The summer's here. I mean, today's not that hot, but even if it were hot, like the water wouldn't be warm. The water here gets warmer like September, October. It's a bit warmer. I can get in. It's not bad, but it's not tropical. When we were here the other day, the tide was further in, so couldn't walk out like this. I would have been up to here in water already. So yeah, this beach is really close to where I grew up. It takes like maybe 45 minutes or so to get here with no traffic. When I tell people I grew up at the shore, I mean, I didn't grow up at the beach, but pretty close. Pretty close. So there's lifeguards here. I don't know if there's lifeguards all the way down the beach, because right now we are at 6th Street or 7th Street, and it goes all the way down to 65th Street or something like that. I'm not sure if they have lifeguards all the way down. Xiaorong, you sleeping? I thought you were going to read your book.
好打。
That felt so good. I feel totally refreshed now. All right, this is definitely a first. Xiao is laying in the sun. She's got lots of sunscreen on, but still. What are you doing?
我的脸没有太阳吧？
没有。
那就好。
It's not very, very hot here today. It's like 25 degrees Celsius. So, I mean, there's a sea breeze. I think at my parents' house it's warmer. It's probably like 28 or something. But it's not super warm. I mean, I don't feel cold at all, but she's not used to it. So, she's sitting in the sun, so she's not freezing. What book are you reading?
I don't want to tell you what I'm reading.
She's reading it to study English, but she said it's really bad. I think it feels good. You want to go in the water? Lots of people don't think it's too cold. Look, we're all in the water. And down there's hundreds of people in the water. It's only you who thinks it's too cold to swim. 怎么了？
在走路啊。
You want to ride on that boat? It's fun, probably. I never did it. There's an airplane flying over with an advertisement to fly over every 20 minutes or so. Alright, so Xiaorong is going to go in the water. Are you ready? I can't go in there with her because I'm like holding our phones and well, this is kind of interesting. Some boy feeding the. Oh, they're afraid. That's what I was saying we should do. They stole our idea. We'll come. They are afraid. They're very cautious. Very cautious. Go ahead, I'll wait here. Quickly! Quickly! Alright, she's been in the water now by herself for like 5 minutes. She looks like she's having a really good time. Jumping in the waves and jumping all around. She's liking it. Alright, Xiao's gonna hang out back there on the beach. I just want to walk up on the boardwalk really fast and just give you a quick look at what it looks like here. Let's go check it out. So yeah, the shop started like 6th Street and they go all the way down to maybe 20th Street or so. I'm not sure exactly. But yeah, lots of different restaurants, places to eat, shops to buy stuff. There's rides, there's a few water parks. Yeah, it's pretty nice here. This is where I came every summer for pretty much my whole childhood. Lots of memories here. Yep, this is Ocean City. There are a lot of beaches in New Jersey though. Yeah, it's really nice. It smells really good here. Lots of pizza, ice cream and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one. Bye. So tell me what you think of the Jersey Shore.
特别棒。
That's it? Nothing else?
Đấy là
All right, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.